Hi, my name is Nathalie Dadre. So my name is French. Nathalie is how it's pronounced. If you can say that, beautiful. If you cannot say that and you're more comfortable saying it in English, that's fine by me, which is Natalie. What I do not like, however, is when people come up with a third sound that is completely different from either Nathalie or Natalie, because then it's just a weird third sound that they're making up that has nothing to do with me, and I am not interested in being called by a name that doesn't even sound remotely close to my actual name. So for those of you who want to learn how to say it correctly, and by the way, this is something that I tried when I was in graduate school, and let's just say that it did not go as planned with people being able to actually correctly say it for whatever reason. It was very difficult for people, and then I always felt weird with the sounds that were coming out of their mouths about my name, because really all I wanted was for them to say it just right, and it left me feeling discouraged, and I just didn't want to bother anymore. But I have faith in you guys because you guys are great, so we're gonna try this again the right way. Those of you who've ever seen that show on Netflix, Amélie, have you seen it? Amélie. The thing about my name is that the intonation is at the end, so Amélie, like Amélie, so it's Nathalie, Nathalie. So it's like ta-da, right? Ta-da, nata, 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 Nathalie, Nathalie. So Nathalie is how you pronounce it correctly. Nathalie Dadre.